Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com, here for NTMarkets.com with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, S&P 500 E-mini futures daily chart, and it's all about perspective. If you're a bull, you look at this and you say, "Oh, well, we're flagging for a move higher." If you're a bear, you say, "Oh, well, we're topping out." Who's right? Who's wrong? We don't know yet. What we do know is that yesterday afternoon was one of the biggest wastes of time in this market in 2015. I mean, we did nothing yesterday afternoon. You got a little bit of movement in the morning, and I think everybody's being really cautious ahead of the Fed announcement tomorrow afternoon. That said, we're seeing a little bit more movement now. So let's look at a 5-minute chart. Here's your daily pivot, 62.75. That's been good resistance all night. Pushed it down. S1 has tried to hold it down at 57.5. We just had a breakdown as low as 56.25. They tried to do matching lows there. The weekly pivot sits at 2049.40 on my stuff. I said to my subscribers late last week, and I said to them again yesterday morning, we're expecting a move down there in the first couple of days of the current week to test the waters and see who's still in control of the tape. The higher probability outcome of a weekly pivot test is that it's going to be support, that we're going to bounce around 49, and we start to make stairs up, you can call it, or a walk up, or whatever you want to call it, into the Fed meeting. The other alternative is that it would break down below the weekly pivot and do a deeper move. Whichever move it does, trade what you see. You've got to really compartmentalize your brain not to be too biased in this kind of situation. This is when people come up with scenarios with regard to the Fed and raising rates and what that's going to do. All that stuff will cloud your thinking with respect to the markets. So it's better just to respect and to trade price. So on the upside, you're looking at 57.5, then you're looking at the daily pivot, 62.75, then the 67 area. On the downside, 57.5 opens up 49, which opens up, right around 37. Or we could end up chopping around again today in about a 5, 6, 7 handle range. Whatever it does, trade what you see, and we'll talk about the implications tomorrow as far as the Fed goes. All right, everybody have a great day. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website, PrincetonTrader.com. Come check out the chat room. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast, and tomorrow after the close with this week's webinar. Trade them well, everybody.